So first formula is d over dx x to the power n. You can say power formula. So if you have power on x, just like n, any number, so result will be n, means जो भी इसकी power है, and multiplied with x to the power n minus 1. Right, so this is the first formula. Second is d over dx of e to the power x. E to the power x is exponential function and the result is e to the power x. D over dx of log x, and remember this is based on e, so the base is e, natural base, and result will be 1 over x. Fine. And what about the trig functions? So d over dx of sin x, result is cos x. D over dx of cos x, so the differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So कोई भी फंक्शन जो c से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, एंड रिमेंबर दिस, उसका जो रिजल्ट होगा आफ्टर डिफरेंशिएशन दैट विल बी विद नेगेटिव साइन. d over dx of 10x, so it will be sec square x. D over dx of cot x, that is minus cosec square x. D over dx of sec x, and result is sec x 10x. D over dx of cosec x, it is minus cosec x multiplied with cot x. So these are trigger functions. Now inverse functions, trigonometric inverse functions. So d over dx of sine inverse x, and result is 1 over under root 1 minus x square. D over dx of cos inverse x, it is the same result but with negative sign, 1 minus x square. This is tan inverse x, result is 1 over 1 plus x square. D over dx of cot inverse x, it is the same result as tan inverse x but with negative sign. D over dx of sec inverse x, so it is 1 over x under root x square minus 1, and the cosec inverse x, it is the same result with negative sign. So अगर ध्यान से देखें तो जितने भी c से स्टार्ट होने वाले फंक्शंस हैं, ऑल आर with negative sign. Now multiplication rule. So if you have two functions of x, these are in product, so what will be the formula? First you differentiate first function, means u, and second as it is, plus now the first as it is and second function is a derivative, right? So this is multiplication rule or product rule, right? And one more, division rule, quotient rule. So it is numerator and denominator. So if you have rational function, means two x functions in ratio, so what will be the result? First you differentiate numerator and denominator as it is, minus, remember this, there is positive in product rule, but in division rule this sign is negative. So right now numerator as it is and differentiation of denominator and denominator square. So this is the division rule, right? And d over dx of a to the power x, just like there is e to the power x, this is a to the power x, so it is a to the power x log a. So these are the basic formulae जो आपको डिफ्रेंशिएशन में रिक्वायर्ड होंगे. एंड रिमेंबर दिस, अगर आपको डिफ्रेंशिएशन के फॉर्मूले आते होंगे सो इंटीग्रेशन इज ऑल्सो बिकम ईजियर, क्योंकि इनका रिवर्स ही इंटीग्रेशन फॉर्मूला में यूज़ होगा. सो इट्स माय एडवाइस, आप इसको बहुत अच्छी तरीके से करें, बाय हार्ट कर लें. नाइस, हैव अ नाइस डे, थैंक यू.